How to log into your VK account. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily log into your VK account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up any web browser, or if you're on your mobile phone, you can just simply open up the app and then search for VK Login. Hit enter. Now click on the very first link that you see, which is the official website for VK. It is the largest European social network with more than 100 million active users. So open up the link and then you'll land on the login page directly. Here you have an option to log in using your phone number if you have it, and if you don't have your phone number connected to your account, you can also use the email. So go ahead and click on email and then simply enter your email address that's connected to your account. And if you are new, you can click on sign up, but if you already have an account, you can click on the sign in. And if you want the browser to remember your login info, or if you don't want to log back in every time you want to log in, then you can just go ahead and click on this save user option, and browser will remember your login info. Now click on sign in and it will send you a verification code on your email. You'll just have to provide the code here and then you will be signed in automatically. And it's as easy as that. You don't even have to enter your password. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.